Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a pressure cooker. We want to find the absolute pressure at the temperature of 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Does elevation change the answer? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a pressure cooker and we got water in blue. The temperature is 260 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to find the absolute pressure. Step 2, list all the given values, find the unknown. Step 3, find the absolute pressure. The absolute pressure is the saturation pressure in this case. Water inside the pressure cooker boils at saturation pressure. Step 4, go to the water property table. So we're going to go to the temperature table because that's what they give us. Since we know it's the saturated pressure, so we're just going to take the saturated pressure from 260 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 35.447 pounds per square inch absolute. Step 5, find the absolute pressure in the correct units. So 35.447 psia multiplied by 1 atmosphere divided by 14.7 psia, that gives you 2.41 atmospheres. And elevation does not affect the absolute pressure. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on New. Click on Video option, then New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.